Hi, still sharing my cooking experience. So I tried to make a cottage cheese, but something was wrong with the milk. So became just a yogurt. Maybe not enough lactose. Maybe mix it with water. Who knows? So I had a lot of yogurt. So I decided to cook some vegetables in yogurt, and surprisingly, it was taste amazing. So I have to share it with you. So basically, I put just a little bit of sweet potatoes, garlic, onion, mushrooms, little bit of seeds, and that's it. But basically, I think it can be any combination. You can put a beetroots, potato if you eat it, whatever, or maybe some cabbages or carrots, and it looks good. So basically, it make it taste sour, so I need a little bit of salt, and the sweet potato make it a little bit sweet taste. So it became sweet and sour, and was taste really amazing. And so you can try. So I think any combination of vegetables it will be quite good at that. So try it, share your own experience, and later for sure we'll share some more cool and healthy recipes with you.